Hi, good morning. I have just downloaded one PDF from Guidely website, and I'm a big fan of Guidely. They provide a lot of content in the form of PDF, and for many of the examination, for example, SBI PO or clerk examination, and what they call is ultimate bundle PDF courses. So I'm going to play with these PDF and make it more interactive, and I think Guidely should also look into it rather than giving away simple PDF. They can make it very interactive. So let me tell a simple tool which I came across, which is very effective. Yeah. This is called pdfmark.com, pdf mark, wherein you can convert, as a teacher, you can convert MCQ PDF question paper into online quizzes within it. So there is no need of any application that you have to manage the front end, back end, etc. What you need, there is no cut paste you need to do of the content, no more typing of the content. If there is an equation or a special character, there is no need of inserting any images. So it's a way better than Google Forms for quizzes, and it works really fine. So if you are the first time user, you can register yourself as a teacher here. It's a small form. You can write, it's free by the way. So organization name, your organization address, and the teacher name in that organization. You can add multiple teachers within the same organization, and then email or mobile, so both of them work, and you will get an OTP and you can add it from here. And that is how, and soon you can start working, and then you can log in. So for example, I'm going to log in through my credential um, here, and then show you how you can convert a simple MCQ PDF question paper into an online quiz, which is very effective in my opinion. I have used it many times, and rather than just having a plain PDF, you can convert those into test, nothing like it. So I log in here, and so here you can see these are some of the tests I have created here. This batch, if my students are there, if I have a database on which I want to give away these questions to, I can manage the batch here. I can create a new batch, and here if I go on my test, these are some of my tests. I'm going to create a new test right away. So for example, this is the PDF which I have downloaded, and I have taken out the answers and explanation. This is just all the questions, 100 questions, and I open it. So as soon as I open it, this PDF gets uploaded here, and I can see this the same question paper here. Of course, it has 100 questions, and this is the control panel you see here. And suppose this is the question number one, and mm, this is a plain PDF question paper, but I need to make it more interactive so that a student can take a test on the PDF itself. So this is a single correct, and for the marking scheme, so generally it is correct score is one, negative is 0.25, not attempted is that's okay. So it will stay like this, and I hit the add button. As soon as I hit the add button, I have got this capability here to put a radio button in front of every question. And suppose if the answer for the first question is just a minute, let me check, is for the first question is B. So B is the correct answer. So I do it like this and take it the cursor and click it again. So the radio button becomes blue, which means this is the correct answer, and I save it. So as soon as I save it as a teacher, so this is five option. And if I just expand it, I'll see this question type is single correct, correct marks is 1, incorrect is 0.25, and not attempted 0. And I go on adding the options here in front of it. And then when I'm doing this, so for the second option, for second question, answer is C. So I go ahead and do this and save it, so I can see it again. If I want to delete it, I can delete it from here. And I go on like this and cover all my 100 questions. So this is pretty easy. So I have done it already, so I'm going to show you without doing everything in front of you. So this is the draft. So these are 100 question, 100 maximum marks will be 100. And duration, I'm going to edit it again, and then put all the details. See, you can see it here. All the options are here. This is the PDF. Everything is done. So it took me 30-35 minutes to cover 100 questions, which is pretty easy. And I do not need any application or etc. So I save it like this. So I write SBI PO pre-test. Duration is say 60 minutes, so I do 60 minutes. Description, I can put description, whatever. Suppose it's a guidely, so guidely can do it. Guidely is the, and I can attach a solution file here also, so that a student can have a look when the test is done. That can be shared with, automatically will be shared with the student on the dashboard. And I save it. So as soon as I save it, it will take me to the dashboard, and this thing is already done. Once I save it, you see it's in 1 hour, maximum marks 100, number of question 100. I can either delete it, or I can share with other teacher. If I have a, colleague, or I'm a data entry operator, I want to give it to my teacher, I can search the email on the system and share it to them, so that it will now start showing on their dashboard as well. This is the edit button. You can go ahead and edit the options or add more questions, etc., etc. And this is the schedule button. I go on, and so there are two modes: open-ended and close-ended. Close-ended means a specified date and time. Open-ended means anybody can take the test anytime they want. So I'm keeping it open-ended. And test start time, it is starting right away. If I have a batch, I can allocate it to them. If I'm putting it on YouTube, or WhatsApp group or Telegram channel, where you don't know the name and number of the student or email ID of the students, you can just allow external students and schedule it. So as soon as you do it, you see, you can still share this to your friends and colleagues. You can copy the test URL from here, which is already here, or you can stop this session, or you can edit this session to add more. So I simply go copy it, and then I start sharing on my YouTube channel, and WhatsApp group, etc. So this PDF, which was once uninteractive, has become an online quiz, as simple as this. So right now there is total student have taken, internal external student to 0. And you can actually download the phone numbers of the student and their rank and the marks of all the students who have taken the test for this scheduling. You can stop the scheduling, you can reschedule anytime you want. So this will be always there to in the database. This test, you can take it, you can distribute it any number of times. So it's an easy tool. And you just saw how we have made an uninteractive simple PDF file into an online quiz in just minutes. So that is the power of this PDF mock. You please go and try. It's a wonderful tool. Thank you so very much.